Hi children, let us see the solutions for the assignment. Now when we want to round off the number to the nearest 100, which digit we should see? We should see the digit which is in tens place. Here the digit which is in tens place is 4. When the digit is in tens place is 4, if it is less than 5, we write the same number and place zeros in ones place and tens place. Okay, now here the digit which is in tens place is 2. 2 is also less than 5. So we write the number and in ones place and tens place same number we write because this is less than 5 and we place 2 zeros. Now here the digit which is in tens place is 6. Now the digit which is in tens place is 6, so it is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, what we need to do? We need to write the next number. So for 34, if 1 is added, it becomes 35, and in ones place and tens place we need to place zeros. So this becomes 35 and 2 zeros. Now here what is the number which is in tens place? The number which is in tens place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So what we need to do? We need to add 1 for the number that is present here. 88. If 1 is added, it becomes 89, and in these two places we need to place zeros. Here the number which is in tens place is 0. So 0 is also less than 5. When 0 is less than 5, what we need to do? We need to write the same number and place zeros in ones place as well as the tens place. Now coming to 10,405. Here also the number which is in tens place is 0. So it is 0. What is the number? The same number we place, and in ones place and tens place we place zeros. Now here the number which is in tens place is 5. If it is 5 or greater than 5, what we need to do? We need to write the next number. All of you remember the rules. If the number which is present in tens place is less than 5, we need to write the same number and place zeros in ones and tens place. If the number is 5 or greater than 5, what we need to do? We need to write the next number and place zeros in ones place and tens place. So what is this number? 673. If 1 is added, the next number for 673 is 674, and we need to place 2 zeros. Now here 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So what is this number? The same number we write, 464, and we need to place 2 zeros in ones place and tens place. So here the number which is in tens place is 7. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So what we need to do? We need to add 1 for this. When we add 1 for this, 7,676. 1 is added, 7,677, and 2 zeros should be written. Now here what is the digit in tens place? Tens place it is 0. 0 is also less than 5. So the same number should be written. So that is 1040, and in ones place and tens place we need to place zeros. So then it becomes 1,04,000. These are the solutions for the assignment given. Hi children, in this video let us try to see that Fazila and her team want to set up a new fish drying factory. So they have listed some items which they require, and what is the price of each item, and how many items, means number of items, is also given here, and here it is asked to find out how much is the total cost for setting up a fish drying factory. Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. So if they want to begin a new fish drying factory, what are the items they require? They have listed down. Fill the table and find the total cost. So what is the total cost that is required to set up a new fish drying factory is to be estimated by us. So let us see what are the items they require. Borewell for fresh water, and how much is the cost of borewell for fresh water? It is rupees 3,000. And how many are needed? Borewells 1 is needed. So number of items is 1. In the same way, bamboo rack for fish drying, rupees 2,000. Each fish drying bamboo rack is rupees 2,000, and 20 bamboo racks are required. So what will be the cost of the bamboo racks? How do you get? each one is 2000 and 20 racks are required. So how much is the cost that is needed to buy only bamboo racks? How do we know? How do we know? Each bamboo rack is 2000. First bamboo rack 2000, second bamboo rack 2000. Like that 20 bamboo racks are there. So if you want to know the total cost, what we need to do? Repeated addition or multiplication. So simply you need to multiply 2000 by 20. And I told you the multiplication with the numbers having zeros is very simple. 2 2s are 4, here 3 zeros, here 1 0, total 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. In that way you can do it. Or 2000 into 20, so 2 2s are 4. How many zeros? 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3, and this is the fourth one. So 40,000 is required to set up the bamboo racks. So here you can write rupees 40,000. Now tell me, here borewell for fresh water is 3,000. So how many borewells are required? Only one borewell is required. So how much will be the cost for borewell? So 3,000 into 1. 3,000 into 1 is rupees 3,000. Then cement tank. Cement tank, for each cement tank 1000 rupees will be spent. And how many cement tanks are required? 4 cement tanks are required. So 4 into 1000. What is 4 into 1000? 4 ones are 4 and 3 zeros. So 4000. Rupees 4000. And whenever we are writing this, a care to be taken that always the number in the units place is below the number in the units place. The number in the units place is below the number in the units place, and then only it should be in order so that our addition we will get it in the right way. If not, we may be getting a wrong one. If we are adding units place with tens place, then obviously we will get a wrong addition. So tray and knife. For each tray and knife costs rupees 300 and 20 are required. So how much is the cost? 300 into 20. So 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. And how many zeros are here? 1 0. Total 6,000. So it is rupees 6,000. Then bucket is 75 rupees. And how many buckets are required? 20 buckets are required. So 75 into 20. 75 into 20. 5 2s are 10. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. And here one more zero is there. So it is 1500. Rupees 1500. So now if you add all ones are in same place or not, you need to check. 0 0 0 0 0. So it is 0. Then what is the total cost? This is the cost for each item. If you want to get the total cost, what we need to do? We need to add all of them. We need to add all of them. If you are adding 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, here also all zeros in tens place. 0 0 0 0 0 0. So now in hundreds place, 0 0 0 0 and 5. So 5 plus all zeros is 5. Now in thousands place, 3 plus 0 is 3. And 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 here and 1 on the top. Now in 10,000s place, if you see 10,000s, nothing is here. Here 4 is there. 4 plus 1 5. Nothing is here. Nothing is here. Nothing is here. So 4 plus 1 5. So 54,500 rupees is the total cost to set up a new fish drying factory. This is how we need to solve this kind of things.